After you've uploaded the plugin, click Install and wait for the admin to reload. Activate the plugin by clicking the switch on the left side. You can now configure the plugin. Just click on the three dots and go to Configure. Enter the API credentials. You can find them in your Abilita dashboard. Don't forget to click Save. The plugin has already installed and activated the payment methods. You can check them in the General Payment Method settings. In Shopware, you have to assign the payment methods to the sales channel in order for them to become available. The plugin installation has already done this for you. Please verify it and remove payment methods which you don't want to offer. Now you're good to go and receive payments.